Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Lalade, and my YouTube channel is where I document, blog, and share my experiences on what it's like to be a woman who finds passion in natural hair and beauty. And here we talk about anything and everything natural hair. So if you feel like you have an interest in that, you can feel free to subscribe and join our growing community here in this YouTube space. As you guys saw on my banner, I have my name as well as my natural hair journey. So I'm gonna let you guys know what has been going on lately. I actually have started a length retention journey for myself and didn't even know it. There's a lot to recap, but let me just let you guys know what happened yesterday. And this story leads to our topic of today's video. So a few days ago, I washed my hair and that was like the best experience I've ever had. Products that I used were fantastic. I've never had my hair react. It was as if I was seeing my hair for the first time. I'm not gonna even lie to you. After that wonderful wash day that I had, I proceeded to blow dry my hair with my Revere. Girl, guy, y'all, she's thick. After I blow dried my hair, I had this style in and my hair was out, but y'all know me. I've been liking my hair to be more compact and tucked away lately, which gets us to this hairstyle right here. And let me tell you guys how this happened, how this style became its thing. After I blow dry my hair, I always like to put my hair in the chunky, you know, cornrows. It's like no tension, it's soft, it's compact, you know. I already had a side part going. I was like, okay, let me just keep the side part and just braid down around. And I just had my braids just out and I was like, you know what? I cannot wait till my hair, like I'm holding my hair like this. I cannot wait till it's like thick, like long and just strong. In that moment, I imagined what my hair could be. And I was like, whoa, we could definitely get there. This all started with me playing around with my hair. I was kind of excited. Ooh, I'm about to braid my hair down. That was the mood. This is fun for me. So I'm like, I'm about to play around with my hair and just create something. And this is what came out of it. This is what I've been like wanting for the kinky, coily hair types. We need more styles. We need more styles. And I feel like with me playing around with my hair, having fun, just sparked the idea of coming up with this style. And I feel like this style gives me like a vintage 1940s, 1950s black hairstyle. Like it's so compact, it's giving me pixie cut. It has so much potential. You know, even while I was doing my hair, I'm like, yo, we're doing something here, you know? This is just your encouragement to experiment with your hair, try different styles, get to know your hair, get to know your texture, just play around. And this is how the puff puff hairstyle was birthed too. It was just spontaneous. I want to play around with my hair. I want to try and have fun with it. And then boom, whoa. Creative looks, you know, styles that work for us. How do I word this? Allowing the Holy Spirit to guide you. Allow the Holy Spirit to guide your hands, you know, just feel around, you know, just play. Like, why wouldn't you want to play in your hair? You know what I'm saying? Yes, play around, just be curious. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do this hair. I'm actually gonna take it down first and then put it back in. The idea and inspiration came for this style yesterday, and I wanna, before I do anything else, film this look and share it with you guys. That's it. That's it. I know it's not perfect now, but that's okay. When I first did the puff puff hairstyle, it wasn't perfect, but you just play around with it, you know? It looks beautiful now, trust, but I know the more that I practice this, the more that I do this style, the more I'll get better, the more I'll figure out different ways to style it. Okay, let's get into it. Let me just get in here, okay? And all I'm using today is bobby pins, okay? Have y'all seen the braided baldy? Oh my God. I absolutely love that hairstyle. It's so unique. I think I saw someone try the braided baldy on themselves, and it turned out so beautifully. Like, wow, like that's such an amazing, creative, unique, like I wonder if I'll ever try it. I would love to though. I feel like it'll look so good. What do you guys think about the braided baldy? I'm about to be 9 years natural. Oh, wow, that's such a huge accomplishment. Trust me, the journey was not smooth sailing at all. I had setbacks in my journey for sure. Would you guys be interested in me creating a type of video kind of dedicated to that? I feel like that's something that I would like to talk to you guys about. The setbacks that I had, what I've learned, the things that I've done in the past, and also show you guys pictures of how my hair used to be like in the past. How would y'all feel about that? Yesterday, I created this side part, and all I did was just use my fingers to not divide my hair in half, but leave this side part out. This is the smaller side, and this is the larger side. So what I did was use my fingers to part my hair. You could use the rat tail comb, but I use my fingers. So I went ahead and used my fingers to part down. This is like before my ear. I do want to use a product. Yesterday I didn't use anything, but today, because you know I would like my hair to have a little bit more moisture or just kind of like refresh my hair, I'm going to use some mousse. Not too much though, maybe just 1 pump, honestly. So now I'm going to do some light detangling, and I'm using my pick, and I'm going to start at my roots and then comb down some more tangles halfway, comb it out, push down tangles, and then push it out. And then now I'm at my roots. Coco. What's up? What's going on, girl? Now it's nicely detangled. So now I'm just gonna comb roll down. It's not gonna be a super tight braid, very loose. So I start by braiding at the roots, like twice. Shh. I know. Give me a second. Shh. And then a light braid, and then for this part I just braid lightly, and then where I feel like my ends, I do need a trim as well. I'm going to lightly twist my ends, and I had a bad habit of that. I noticed when I would do my hair, I'm like gripping the mess out of my ends. Like they're like, chill, relax. Like you really have to be like delicate fingers, literally, for the ends. Yeah, that's what I learned too. I was just, it doesn't take all that. You know, just gentle, gentle, gentle. I'm over here getting the perfect coil, making everything is defined, and my ends were like, anyway. So now I'm gonna section up my hair again, and that's gonna be right behind my ear. This right here is my third section. I think that one maybe 1.5, because this is my thicker. You know, make sure the end's nice and soft before I get to brushing. Now I'm just gonna separate a top section. It doesn't have to be too small. Mine are actually pretty chunky. I'm just gonna split this into 3 and then braid. So before I continue, I kind of like to map out where my braids are gonna be. I had this one, the one in the front, to match with this one on the front. And this one is gonna match with this, the second one. And then in the back, I'm going to have 2 cornrows. So on this side, I had one, which is on my left side. And then the one in the back is in the middle, and one on the right side. So 3 in the back, 2 in the front on each side. So 7 braids in total. I was telling you guys about how I was just holding my hair and I could just imagine like it just being like this long, like. Now I am going to show you guys how I was playing around with my hair yesterday. I knew I wanted something like bob style or like pixie cut style. Something like this. How I actually did it was I just started rolling my ends, and it kind of reminded me of, what is that style called? The one that is like knotless braids, but then you coil it in. Ooh, that's another good one. That is another good style. One of these days, y'all. I just decided, ooh, let me just roll it in there and kind of have this rose flower type of deal. I was like, ooh, bobby pins. Grabbed me a couple bobby pins and kind of like weaved the bobby pin like down, up, through the flower, and it kind of just stayed just like that. And I was like, oh, okay, let's do that again. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and kind of coil it like a little snail shape and roll that up. And you could do this any direction. You could roll it back, you know. Y'all see where the potential, y'all see it, okay? So I'm gonna roll it in and pin it. Work my way up, down, but I'm still pushing it through, up, down, into that big braid. Yes. And I feel like this one needs to be more secure. I'm gonna go from bottom to top and weave up, down, into that big braid. Yes, more secure. And it might look different each time. It may not look the same, and that's the beauty in it. Now with this one, how do I want it? Behind my ear and curled up, or in the front and curled back? Ooh. So let's see how it looks. So I'm gonna curl it in the direction where I want it to lay. Maybe like this. Just like that. And she stays. Yeah, I like that. On to the next. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Make sure she's tucked in there nice. Go from the bottom. Weave it, weave. We need another bobby pin. From the back. And push that in. Ooh! Yes. Let's keep going. Now, how do I want this one? Maybe I want this one curled inward. And I want it to be like tucked in there, like at the edge, at the end. It looks so nice, OMG. And you kind of want it to be comfortable around the ear as well. Now this side, I'm gonna curl it in, you know, kind of fill in this gap right here. Ooh, so cute. And she just fits right there. So it seems as if this and this one need to be connected somehow, because I kind of want it to lay flat. So I'm gonna connect these two. And I also want it to lay down over my ear probably. Good. And now the last one. So it looks like it's going to curl inside in this space here. think I want this to be a little bit higher. And then just leave that there. OMG. Ah! Like you could do so much with this. Like you could layer it, like just have like a layer on the top and have like another one in the back. You can do smaller braids. You could, ooh. It's nice and compact. I know that my hair will retain length with this style. Guys, what do we call this one? What do we call this style? OMG. What do you think the name should be? I really need y'all's suggestions on what we should call this style. What do you guys think? So we have finally gotten to the end of today's video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like. It helps me out a lot. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also turn on your post notifications so you are notified every single time I post a new video, and I do not want you guys to miss. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.